here in Dubai because it's the end of Ramadan, so everything is closed except the, of course, essential services like doctors, where we are going right now.
Yeah.
So we are going to take the opportunity in this vlog to talk about our experiences with doctors in Brazil, Colombia, Canada, USA, and now in Dubai.
Sim, olhei, realmente faltou incluir no contrato o anexo que mostra o financeiro, né, a parte financeira. Eu pedi para eles fazerem, mas ontem era domingo, eles me mandam hoje. Aí eu atualizo para vocês lá.
In Brazil, we have what we call a universal health system. It's very much similar to Canada. What it means is that if you go to a hospital, you're going to be treated, and you are entitled to get any kind of treatment and go to any kind of specialty. But that's covered by the government. Unfortunately, which I think is different from Canada, Maria is going to give her opinion on that, is that Brazil's system is very overwhelmed by the excess of demand that it has. So a lot of people don't use that system. Who has money pay for insurance to have private health. So if you're going to Brazil, make sure you have an insurance so you don't end up in a huge line on a public hospital. Don't get me wrong, Brazilian doctors, even if they are a public sector, they are one of the best of the world. However, the system doesn't allow you to get the best out of them because of the excess of demand. So if you're going to Brazil, get an insurance.
So I live in Canada for 14 years and I actually had good experience regarding the healthcare system. You are assigned to a doctor according to the area where you live, and that doctor is the one that you see for everything, for referrals and for everything. When he referred me for surgery, I only waited, it was not an urgent surgery, I only waited 3 months to get the appointment, and within a month I got my surgery. The doctors were amazing, the clinic is beautiful, and the best part, you walk out of there and you pay zero.
Starting to get warm again. We have a lot of puppies walking. And unfortunately, our next testimonial about doctors and hospitals is not very good. It is coming from the USA. My experience there were not either pleasant or cheap. Once I had to go to emergency and I spent $2,500 just to go in and out, and in another time we had to do a appendicitis surgery and it costed $100,000. We had insurance, we paid like $1,000 only for the surgery, but even with the insurance they continued to send bills for us to pay, and we had to check the bills and the insurance and the surgery and see if they already billed and they were double billing, which I found out that is very common.
Yeah, it is very common. I remember with my insurance as well, they billed me a lot when I went to emergency room that I exploded my finger. Yeah, unfortunately doctors in the US are too afraid because of the lawsuits they get all the time that they don't really treat you, they barely touch you, they just send you for diagnose and you have to get exam after exam after exam, and they cost a lot of money.
A lot of money. So definitely if you go to the US, 100% you need to have an insurance.
Yeah, get a travel insurance.
A travel insurance, and if you're going to live there, you have to have a health insurance. But be aware that even so they're going to cover most of it, they're still going to keep you sending bills, and you have to be aware and check it.
It's cheaper if you fly to Colombia, get whatever you need to get done. Much better assistance, much better doctors, and it's a lot cheaper.
We are dog sitting for a neighbor. And to finish, because I want to change my clothes, our experience here in Dubai, in my opinion, in terms of hospitals and stuff, has been the best. Very good. We have insurance, and the insurance here costs from 300 to 2,500 dirhams per month, depending on what you want. So it's about $100 and something up to $800, depending of what you want to include. But so far,
they're amazing.
They are amazing, and they really want to help you.
And they really want to help you. So, and just another thing is, if you are employee, employers are, how do you say,
It's mandatory,
mandatory for them to give insurance. So if, unless you're independent, you don't have to worry about, because
No, but if you are independent, you have to provide yourself one.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Unless you are independent, the employer will give the insurance to you, which are pretty good. I had a surgery here, an unexpected surgery, and the service and the level of care and everything like that. And the other day, I needed to have a test that it was not covered by insurance. So when I went to pay, the guy in the cashier, it was like 400 something dirhams. And he's like, and he's like, do you have a coupon or a discount? I'm like, well, my doctor say if we can use her 20% discount. He's like, and he told me this when I was already ready to pay. Like, I gave him my credit card, and he's like, wait, don't you have like a coupon or something, a discount? I'm like, well, my doctor told me to get a discount. It's like, okay, 300. Like right away, they took 100, more than 100 dirhams off. Yeah, it was super nice. And the other day, same thing, a doctor did a check on me, and she wanted to do another check. And she's like, just wait there, but don't tell the nurses at front, so they won't charge you for it. And they did the exam for free.
And another thing that I think is nice is that the doctors always give their personal WhatsApp.
Oh yeah.
So you can talk to them.
Yeah, my doctor is like, whatever you need, just text me. So doctor here care, the level of healthcare is amazing.
And the care of the doctors are more similar to Colombia and Brazil, where they are not worried about getting a lawsuit.
Yeah, they actually care, and they do whatever they need in order to help you. So yeah, healthcare in Dubai,
it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Now we're going to rest because it's already 9.
And
Maria is checking her hotels for London because she's going to London
on Thursday.
By herself and for work.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be here with this little that is now here. So yeah, I hope that information was
helpful
for everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.
More reasons to move to Dubai.
Bye bye.